What is a motherboard? ICT for beginners. Discover the part that connects everything inside your computer. Welcome back, ICT learners. Have you ever wondered how all the parts of a computer talk to each other? The answer is the motherboard, also known as the main board or system board. Let's explore what it is, what it does, and why it's one of the most important parts of any computer. What is a motherboard? The motherboard is the main circuit board inside the system unit. It connects and allows communication between all other components of the computer. Think of it as the central nervous system. Everything plugs into it to work together. What does the motherboard do? Connects the CPU, RAM, storage, and other parts, sends signals and power between components, allows expansion through extra slots, controls input and output devices, helps the computer boot up and operate properly. Key components found on a motherboard. Let's take a quick tour of the parts attached to it. 1. CPU socket. This is where the processor is installed, acts as the brain of the system. 2. RAM slots, where you plug in your RAM sticks. More RAM equals better performance. 3. Chipset controls, communication between the RAM and storage divided into North Bridge and South Bridge. In older systems, 4. Power connectors receives electricity from the power supply, distributes power to the CPU and other parts. 5. Expansion slots used to install additional cards like graphics card, sound card, network card. 6. Storage connectors where hard drives or SSDs are connected. 7. USB and front panel connectors allow external devices like keyboards, mice, and USB drives to work. 8. BIOS, UEFI chip, contains startup instructions, helps your computer boot up. Why is it called a motherboard? Because it holds and connects all the child components like the CPU, RAM, and expansion cards. Without it, nothing can communicate or work together. Can you replace a motherboard? Yes, but it must match the CPU RAM type and case size. Technicians often upgrade motherboards when building or repairing computers. Quick recap. Let's summarize what we've learned. The motherboard is the main circuit board. It connects and powers all components. It has slots for CPU, RAM drives, and expansion cards. Without it, the computer can't function. It's called motherboard because it connects everything together. That's it for today's ICT lesson. Now you know what the motherboard is, what it does, and why it's essential. Like, subscribe, and follow for more ICT topics, one click at a time. Up next, what is the CPU? The brain of the computer.